What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So I have something freaking awesome to show you real quick. So today is April 18th. This is the 18th of April, and about 2 weeks ago I finally brought my car back home from the Jacob Javits Center. I was selected by a vendor for my car to be on display there for about 2 weeks, and it was a very, very prestigious event. And you know, I mean, such a good opportunity to meet a lot of dope people, a lot of people who follow me on Instagram, a lot of people who follow me on YouTube. It was really cool. But I will tell you this, at the end of that, I couldn't even speak, because when you're there and the amount of people coming to see the cars and talking about cars, just talking shop and just everything like that, it's, you know, 12 hours of nonstop talking. It can really, really get to you. And I was saying to myself, man, I wish I had a freaking, either like some type of banner or some type of sign to the front of my car, to the back of the car, because I had to like pretty much split myself into almost two trying to talk to everyone and answer their questions. So I came home and I started doing my research, and I found someone. Now, I found multiple people doing the same thing, but I ended up reaching out to the best two, which was number one, I think Vengeance Graphics, and another one was ModPosters. And I had the pleasure of speaking to both people. Vengeance was pretty much like the same thing. He just had like heavier bases, so to speak. It was very, very expensive. And I'm talking about, you're getting into like the $500 range. And then I spoke to Jennifer from ModPosters, and I just want to say a special shout out to Jennifer for helping sponsor this video. Thank you so much. Guys, I'll tell you, I've had the pleasure of doing business with a lot of people, and you know, for the most part, most of them are very, very nice, and Jennifer is definitely one of them. So Jen, thank you so much for being a freaking gem and really kind of like walking me through this process, because this is something that I haven't done before. And this is what I wanted to show you real quick right here. This is a retractable banner. Look how beautiful this is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up a screen recording on the side just to show you how sick all of this stuff is. Now, once you go on her site, ModPosters.com, you'll see a lot of different, she does a list of different flags, banners, retractable banners, pop-up stuff, ranging from all different prices, photo book, design and print package, all types of stuff. Now, what I needed was something big, because my mods list, I actually had to shrink it down because there is so much detail. Probably the longest mod list you're ever gonna see. Because listen, look at this bad boy. 840 horsepower to the wheels, and very, very, very custom one-of-one STI. So that's the reason why I had to do this. And if you go to retractable banners, you'll see a price there. Just click on it. Now, once you click on it, you can go through all the, you have two different sizes, 24 by 62 and 33 by 81. Now, once you click on 33 by 81, the price is obviously going to go up. So this is almost 3 feet wide and almost 7 feet tall. And guys, I would highly recommend this. They say for indoor and outdoor, what you would have to do for outdoor is probably really put some like weights on the feet. But I would only use this outdoor if it was like a still day, not a windy day, because you're gonna have some problems. But this is definitely use for indoor show, and I have an indoor show coming up, actually 2 coming up in May. So this is gonna be freaking fantastic. And the beautiful thing about it, guys, this comes with its own nifty retractable. It's retractable. Let me just show you this real quick. It's retractable. You have a pole to the back that actually helps it stand up, and you have your own nice, beautiful little carrying case. Guys, in the package, she actually has tips on preventing it from being damaged, showing you how to set it up. Guys, I'm not gonna go over this with you because literally a child can follow this. It's very, very simple. Just take your time setting it up, and obviously the legs can actually be twisted counterclockwise or clockwise and be closed, meaning it can be twisted in line with the banner. Okay, and guys, on her site, she pretty much goes over just everything that, you know, what you're getting, what the stuff is made from, because it's 13-ounce poly. It's made from, it's a glossy front finish, and she also offers one free change and reprint for your retractable banner. Okay, look at the detail on this. Look at the pictures. Now guys, you're gonna go through sending her pictures if you just decide to do the design. And what I'm gonna do in the description, I'm gonna put her Instagram there. It's a very, very good way to contact her. I first saw her on Etsy, as I said, and the best way to conversate, I would say do it through Instagram, which I'm gonna put her Instagram there. I'm gonna also put her email address there and conversate. And how the process works is you pretty much send her whatever high quality pictures you wanna use, okay? She'll tell you if it's good or not. Send her your mods list, and she'll do a number of proofs, and you have to either say yay or nay. So it comes down to you what you want to approve or not. And guys, it's an all-in-one package deal. Look how beautiful this is. And I'll even put something up on the side. You even have QR codes. So now if you're doing things like, let's say I'm in the back of the car, like at the show, showing people talking about the trunk, and people see this and then they see the QR code, all they got to do is literally scan, and it takes you right to either my YouTube or Instagram. And you can't get better than that. Literally can't get better than that. I just want to show you real quick. Let me just turn this around. Just want to show you how this works. Guys, it's a very, very, very simple construction. This pole, it can literally break down, it can split apart right here at these notches, because it's like a big elastic rope holding it together. So it literally can be broken down or whatnot. And all you gotta do is you put the pole through this hole, make sure it goes through the bottom one right there. Okay, you make sure, and you step on, you step on the legs. And this is how, and literally this is how you take it off. So to put it on, I don't know if you put that in there, and that's it. It's very, guys, it's very, very simple to do. This stuff is not rocket science, man, I'm telling you. And now when you're done, so like say this, you lift. Obviously I would recommend it with 2 hands, but I'm pretty strong, so I don't have to worry. And all you do is you lower your banner slowly in there. You take this apart, and look, this is what I'm trying to tell you about it literally breaks apart like that. Or, see it? So you can literally break it apart like that. And it comes into, so you have it like 3 pieces just like this, and it's foldable. So all you do is, and you could put this inside of the carrying case. Put that there. That goes just like this. Flip it over. Look, the legs, all the pollen is starting to come down. Got to put this car inside fast and just turn it. And that's it. That is it. It's very, very simple. To set this up, I'm talking about, you're talking about a whole minute to set up, and that's really it. And you pop this in there, you put that in the carrying case, and you're straight. And it's so easy to carry. Guys, again, this is a short video. Definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. But guys, this is a fantastic piece, and I'm telling you, you're looking at price like in the 200 range, and it's shipped by UPS. So you're looking at, from time for you to get the design, pictures and everything approved, like if you do it in 1 day and she works on it, I'm pretty sure you can get it within, I would say, week and a half, 2 weeks. It all depends on how fast you guys move by sending pictures, approving it, or what her workload is like. But I got mine pretty fast, and it was shipped by UPS, so I can't really complain. So once again, guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Jen, thank you so much for hooking this up. This was freaking awesome. This is gonna help me so much when I'm at shows. Thank you again. And guys, what can I say? I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.